6 reasons to start working on YouTube right now. Be a YouTuber and make money. The first reason: it does not require capital. It is very easy. Grab your phone now and start shooting videos and making subjects. The second reason: you are sure you can make money from YouTube. If you go the right way and do it right, you have a guarantee that YouTube will give you 100% income. The third reason: you are making money in your sleep. Because if your videos go viral, you will get views and make money while you are sleeping. Even after years, it can be visited and earn money. The fourth reason: in the future, you can get a sponsor, others will give you advertise to publish, and you can also advertise your product, and other ways to earn money will open up for you. The fifth reason: your hand is open to produce content and subject. You can make anything you want. Why? Because YouTube is not saturated yet and you can make videos on any topic you want. Sixth and final reason: it doesn't take your time. Just a few hours a week if you have one video every week. What better than this? So YouTube has a very good opportunity to progress, and I am sure that YouTube will become exactly like Instagram in the coming years. Everyone will have YouTube, works and earns. And now I would like to suggest you to some applications and websites so that you can prepare content and make better videos and edit them.